In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn a scenario on in Make so you can get your automations running on autopilot. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, you'll need to log in to Make. Head over to the Make website and sign in with your account credentials. Once you're in, you'll want to open the Scenarios page by clicking on the Scenarios option in the main navigation menu. This is where all your automations live, so take a moment to locate the specific scenario you want to activate. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar if you have a lot of them. When you've found it, click on the scenario name to enter the scenario builder. This is the editor where you can see every module and connection in your workflow. Before you turn anything on, it's smart to verify the configuration. Check that all modules are configured correctly, that your connections are active and authorized, and that no errors are displayed. A quick review here can save you from unexpected hiccups later. If you've made any recent edits to the scenario, now is the time to click the Save button. You don't want to lose any changes when you switch things on. Next, you'll want to review the scheduling settings. Open the scheduling options to see how often the scenario is set to run. This is where you confirm whether it should trigger every hour, once a day, or on a custom interval. Make sure the schedule matches what you actually need. Now for the main event. Locate the scheduling toggle switch and simply flip it from off to on. That one click is all it takes to enable the scenario. After you do that, you should see the scenario status change to active or on. This confirms that Make will now start running the automation according to the schedule you set. Finally, it's a good habit to monitor the initial executions. Check the first few runs to make sure everything works correctly and that data is flowing as expected. And there you have it. Your scenario is now active and will run automatically according to its schedule. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.